All right, you guys, so I am going to do the maximum hydration method today. I'm not going to do it like every day for like a week or whatever. I'm literally just going to do it today and see what happens. And instead of doing the normal cherry Lola with the yogurt and the liquid aminos, I'm actually using this cholesterol by Silk Elements. And this is a cholesterol, and then also it's got coconut oil and silk in it, and it's built to strengthen. So the reason why I'm doing that is, one, if I have yogurt, I'm not going to put it in my hair. I'm going to eat it because I like yogurt. I also don't have any liquid aminos, and I could go get some, but honestly, no, no. I did add baking soda, which I'm very scared to have this in my hair. I haven't used baking soda in my hair since I was relaxed, and I did it after swimming to try to clarify and get chlorine out of my hair, which worked okay. But I'm kind of scared to use this or have the baking soda on my hair because some naturals have reported that it does actually loosen their curl texture. And I don't really care if it loosens my curl texture. I do not want it to straighten my hair. There's a reason why I transitioned for almost 2 years and then big chopped. But I have this in my hair. I'm probably going to keep it in my hair for about 20 minutes or so. And then I will go ahead and rinse it out, and then go in with apple cider vinegar and water to clarify, and then move on to the clay mask, the bentonite clay mask, which I just used the Aztec Healing clay mask, but I will come back to you all after I have rinsed this protein treatment with baking soda out of my hair. Please pray for me if the title says something like baking soda canceled on natural hair, you know why. So, all right, y'all, it's been about 20 minutes. I'm about to rinse this out my hair. Don't mind my mustache. Sorry about that. And then I will give you guys an update in terms of what my hair looks like and if I have any curls left or any hair at all. All right. All right, y'all. So I just rinsed it out of my hair. I still have curls. Hallelujah. I'm going to go in with the clarifying. This is water mixed with apple cider vinegar. I don't know why this is supposed to be beneficial for low porosity girls when the apple cider vinegar, which is an acid pretty much, is going to close the cuticle, but I'm just going to trust the process and see what the hell happens. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my hair. I've done this before to clarify. Oh girl, y'all didn't even tell me my eyebrows was all jacked up. Y'all are mean. Okay. So anyway, so I've done this before, and I've used it for like clarifying. And what I do is I spray the water and apple cider vinegar mixture in my hair and put a cap on my head and leave it on for like 10 minutes, like not even that long. And like, yeah, probably about like 10, 15 minutes. And then rinse my hair out. And then I will follow that up with a co-wash to detangle my hair. And then we're going to do the clay. All right. I'm really not trying to spend all day doing this shit. Oh my Lord. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm sitting here. I have the apple cider vinegar water mixture in my hair, and I was thinking about it, and I could see why this is a part of the like the steps for the maximum hydration, especially if you do any variation of the cherry Lola that has baking soda in it. Because baking soda is alkali, apple cider vinegar is an acid, they're going to neutralize each other. But also it's going to help get anything else that baking soda did not get off my hair. So I look a hot mess, y'all. I don't even know why. So with that being said, I am going to go ahead and leave this in my hair for a little bit, and then rinse this out, co-wash, detangle, and just keep it moving. Oh, good Lord. Okay. All right, y'all. So my hair has been rinsed out. I co-washed it. You can see the water still beating on my hair, but I just co-washed it, and my curls. Sorry about that. Okay, so my curls are kind of popping. I just co-washed my hair, and I'm about to do the clay mask. Y'all, my eyebrows, I need to get them done so bad. And they're being disrespectful. But I'm about to do the clay mask, and I'm not going to leave it on my hair until it gets hard. What I'm going to do is, again, put another cap on my head, leave it on for like a half hour or something like that, and then rinse it out, because I'm over this. I'm done. Like, yeah. So, y'all, I'm over all of this. Like, I don't understand. Why can't I just wake up and why can't I just be pretty? Why can't I just have beautiful, bouncy, curly hair and no mustache and perfect skin and eyebrows? Why can't I just be just beautiful? Like, hashtag I woke up like this. Instead, I get to spend my entire weekend trying to just not be ugly. All right, y'all. So I've had this on my hair for like about an hour, like ish. I'm gonna rinse it out. I'm gonna deep condition, and then I'm not even gonna do a video of like the wash and go, because I'm done. I'm done. But I will show you how my hair looks after I do like put the leave-in and like the gel and all that stuff in there. Okay, so I'm almost there. Okay. All right, y'all. So I just got out of the shower. I just deep conditioned my hair after rinsing out the clay, and this is what it looks like. My hair, I mean, like, it pops some curls, other ones not so much. It could be because I just didn't leave, like, I didn't leave the clay on. I left it on for like 45, 50 minutes after I went and looked back. So it wasn't on there for a full hour. I also didn't let it dry out because it is a pain to dry out or to wash out when it's dry. Like, no, nope. And y'all, this is a story for a completely different video, but I have a bald spot back here and I don't need any help losing hair. Like, I still don't know how it happened. But anyway, so I am going to go ahead and style my hair. To detangle my hair, because I detangled it a little bit in the shower, but when I rinsed out the deep conditioner, it got all frizzy again, so I'm just going to re-detangle it just to make sure. But I'm going to use a mixture of water and like pure aloe vera juice. And then I will put in the kinky curly leave-in. And then I made like DIY flaxseed gel. That's what this is. And then to top it all off, I normally would do an oil, but I'm gonna trust the process and not put an oil on there, but I am gonna use some Eco Styler gel just to kind of get everything to freeze. And yeah, oh good Lord. All right, so I will see y'all after I finish styling my hair. All right, y'all, so I finished styling my hair. It is very defined. I'm gonna give it that. All right. I don't know how well this hold is gonna go because I did use the DIY flaxseed gel, and then on top of that the Eco Styler. So I don't know. It might have like amazing hold. It might get real floofy. My roots really aren't like as poofy as they normally are. So I mean, like, I'll take that. I am going to go for a walk because it's so nice outside, and hopefully that'll help to dry my hair a little bit. I mean, I have low porosity hair, so it's probably going to still take like 9 years for my hair to dry, but you know, it's fine. But I will come to y'all when my hair is dry, or at least most of the way dry, and just kind of like let y'all see what it looks like. I might put just like a tiny bit more gel right here. Oh no, I don't want to do, ooh. Okay, I don't know what that was from, but I don't want my hair to flake, so I might not. I don't know, but I'm also kind of scared that it's going to flake with the Eco Styler anyway, so I don't know. I guess I'll just wait and see what goes on. I don't know. All right, y'all, so it's not like completely dry because it's still wet like up here, like in some spots, but it dried quite a bit, and like definition is still there. The hold, actually, I'm very surprised by the hold. I know Eco Styler has like amazing hold, but I was afraid with the water content of the flax gel that it was going to end up lowering the hold that the Eco Styler has. I'm going to be intrigued to see what this looks like over the next few days. So yeah, I really, really am impressed with this. This is the first time that I've done the full maximum hydration method. Well, I guess my version of it, because again, I didn't do the actual Cherry Lola. I did the like a protein treatment by Silk Elements, and I just added baking soda to it. But yeah, I like this. I'm going to keep an eye on my hair over the next few days. This isn't something that I would be doing all the time, honestly. I would probably do this like once, like a month at most, personally. But let me know what y'all think of this, of my results and everything. Let me know if you've tried the maximum hydration method, if you followed it to a T with the Cherry Lola. Did you end up tweaking some stuff? Like, how did it work out for you? Also, you know, follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. I post a lot of very random stuff on both of those outlets, but you know, it's me being me. So yeah, I'm hoping to get this posted right away, but it may not be for like a couple weeks. That was my cat's feeder. I'm real sorry about that. There it is again. Ah! Hey y'all, so it is the next day. It is a little fluffy because instead of putting it up in a pineapple, because I couldn't, because this part was gelled down and I didn't want it to have like a weird kink in my hair, I just did a couple of bands and banded it a little bit, so it crunched out the cast, and so it made it just a tiny bit more fluffy, but it's still pretty defined, honestly. And I forgot to mention yesterday in the videos that I didn't shingle my hair. I literally just raked the product through. I didn't use the Denman brush. I used the Denman brush to detangle. That was it, which I might kind of transition away from doing that because I know I'm not using it properly when I'm detangling it. I am actually using it to define, like holding it to define, because that's just how I'm used to holding a brush, and it's pulling out some hair. But that's a different conversation. But with this, the definition that I got, didn't shingle, didn't use the Denman brush, just raked. I didn't even rake and shake. I just raked it through and then moved on to the next thing. So, I mean, the maximum hydration method, it's definitely really good. I don't see myself doing this like every day until I reach maximum hydration, just because one, that's a lot to go through. Two, like I'm afraid of putting baking soda on my hair that often. Using apple cider vinegar, even if it's diluted that often, it's just, I can't. So I will, you know, keep y'all updated in like the coming months and all of that, and weeks and everything, to if I end up finding something else that's going to give me, you know, hydration through the way that I use products and everything outside of raking or even the Denman brush. So thank y'all so much. If this helped you at all, let me know. I am on Instagram. I'm also on Twitter. And I mean, leave a comment below. Make sure you like and share this video. Thank y'all so much. Peace.